Hi, I'm Jason Maida. Welcome back to the Maida Mortgage Minute. It's great to be with everyone today. Last week we talked a little bit about the housing numbers, kind of give you a sense of what inventory levels look like, maybe a little bit more about the median home price and those increases we've seen across California. We also share with you a little bit more about interest rates, where they've kind of come in the last 2 or 3 months, give you a sense of maybe where we think they're going to go over the last several months. So I want to spend some time talking a little bit more to our move-up buyers today as we kind of take into consideration some of those numbers that we shared with you last week. So some of our move-up buyers are really the buyers are purchasing homes in anywhere from the $300,000 to $400,000 mark on up to the $1 million plus mark. And some of those buyers are really deciding to make a purchase maybe for better location, square footage, maybe a better school system for their children. And so I want to kind of talk to those buyers today in this week's Maida Mortgage Minute. So the first thing we want to share with you is if you're currently selling your home and maybe you don't have enough equity that you're going to be cashing out to put down at least 20%, there are conventional loan products that allow you to put as minimum as 3 to 5% down. And those loans will go up to a minimum of maximum of $417,000. So that's the first thing I want to share with you. Second thing is if you're above the 417 mark, that's going to be in what we call as a super conforming or high balance loan. In Sacramento County, for example, those will go up to 474, 750. You can put as little as 10% down there. If you do go above 474, 750, now you're going to start to get into what we call as a jumbo loan category. In doing that, we do have products that will allow you to put as little as 10% down, and those go all the way up to a $750,000 loan amount. Now, if you're looking at going above that $750,000 loan amount, you're probably going to have to put in more in the neighborhood of 20 to 25% down, depending on your qualifications. But at least that'll give you an idea of what really the next pre-approval will look like for you if you're going to purchase that home of your dreams. Again, so there are solutions for you, 3 to 5% down, as well as little as 10% down for jumbo loan clients. Now, all of that said, I want to just give you some quick updates on where inventory levels are at, as well as what we're kind of seeing coming down the pipe here in the next 2 days with interest rates. So first of all, inventory levels are down a little bit over last week. We've got about 1,000 less homes in Sacramento County on the market. So that's not the best of news, but we do see some uptick coming down the pipe here shortly. Secondly, is interest rates are still remaining super volatile. Federal Reserve is actually posting the meeting minutes in the next day or so, and we'll see how the stock market and the bond market reacts to some of the findings or really the outcome of those meetings. So we'll be really tuning into that to see if that really fluctuates interest rates. So as always, we'll be circling back with all of our viewers out there to share with you a little bit more about how maybe we were impacted with maybe any type of change in interest rate or the housing numbers, and obviously report that back to you. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to pick up the phone and call us or email, and we'd love to be able to answer those questions for you. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon.